Hi there, I'm Makayla, and today we're making our new Glen Cocoa Fresh Face Mask. This face mask smells so delicious. That's because of the chocolatey cocoa powder that's added to keep skin feeling soft and looking bright. It's also full of nutrient-rich almond butter to protect and soothe the skin. So let's get going. Audrey will be compounding. We start with heaps of fresh, fragrant cocoa powder. We slowly add it to a blend of water and hydrating glycerin. Then we add in the kaolin clay. Cleansing with clay dates back to ancient times. It's full of beneficial minerals, absorbs excess oils, and draws out impurities. Next, we pour in nutritious almond butter. It's rich in oils to protect the skin and soothe irritation. And lastly, we add in our signature essential oils. Now we mix all these beautiful ingredients together until we get a smooth, creamy consistency. Time to distribute this chocolatey mask into individual pots. And finally, we put on the labels. Ooh, look at it go. And that's how we make the Glen Cocoa Fresh Face Mask. We do this every single week to make sure you get the freshest skincare possible. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out some of our other How It's Made videos and leave a comment below. Bye.